Hello, welcome to Kick-Ass with Grandmaster Stangle. I want to talk to you today about a skeletal attack. A lot of people are intimidated by the size of their assailant, but it doesn't matter how big their muscles are. If you move their skeleton, their muscles and everything else with them is going to move. So we're going to show you a couple of skeletal maneuvers for subject control techniques.
Thank you, sir. All right, so I want to go this way through him. Say I can't get away, I can't go backwards, I have to go, the only way out is through him. I have to move his body. So I'm going to put my hand, the back of my hand on his hip. I'm going to put my fist right in the palm of my hand. I'm going to move him this way and through. Okay? Another skeletal attack, subject control techniques. We're going to take his, grab his humerus bone. We're going to take his shoulder up through his ear. Just move him this way. So we have to move an aggressive assailant. We need to move him from point A to point B. We're just move him right over here. Okay? Another skeletal attack. If you have someone aggressive, you put your hand on the back of the head. I'm going to put my palm right in the chin. Just going to cup that. I'm going to push up and around and turn him this way where I need him to go. Okay? Just a couple more things to put in your bag of tricks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching Kick-Ass with Grandmaster Stangle. Remember, we want the good guy to go home safe.